Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas grill that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Blackstone 1554 Station 4 Burner Propane-Fueled Gas Grill. There comes a time in everyone's life where they need to step up their grilling game. Once that time comes, the Blackstone 1554 Station 4 Burner Propane-Fueled Gas Grill is the way to go. Everything from assembly to usage is nothing short of stress-free. You don't need to slave over charcoal, wood and the rest. Just power it up and get started. In terms of convenience, this is definitely a winner. You'll also like the addition of a whopping 4 adjustable heat zones, which ensures that you can cook more than one thing at once. This, coupled with the large cooking space, will ensure you have enough room to keep tabs on everything. Then there's the fact that you can cook a wide array of meals using this baby. It's not all barbecue and stir-fries with this natural gas grill. Cook your breakfast foods, fish, chicken, and even vegetables. All in all, you'll have a great time cooking tasty meals. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Weber Spirit E330 LP Black Gas Grill. When it comes to the best gas grill out there, it's a cardinal sin to leave off the Weber Spirit E330 LP Black Grill. The first thing that'll catch your eye with this model is its stellar construction and sleek design. Whether it's for the occasional barbecue or everyday grilling, this is a viable choice. There's a ton of functional additions here. For instance, you no longer have to worry about getting that perfect sear on your meat and veg. With the specialized sear station, you can quickly and efficiently add those sear marks. Is someone running late? Well, you can keep their portion warm using the built-in warming rack. Couple this with the thermometer built in the lid and you have excellent temperature control. All in all, this is a sturdy piece of equipment that will last for many years to come. Our guide to the best pellet grills features more cool options like this, so check them out. At number 3, we have the Char-Broil Classic 363 Burner Liquid Propane Gas Grill. With a total of 3 gas burners, you'll enjoy the cooking space that this grill offers up. Even more, there's a total of 30,000 BTUs of heat delivered across a cooking surface of 360 square inches. Now, that alone is enough to prove that the Char-Broil Classic 363 Burner Liquid Propane Gas Grill is among the greats. It's great for family meals or large gatherings with friends thanks to the cooking surface provided. It measures approximately 26 inches by 14 inches, in terms of width and depth respectively. Taking it up a notch is the porcelain grates, which go a long way to ensure that cleanup is not too tedious. Meanwhile, you'll find a total of 3 inline burners on the inside, which are as durable as they come. More impressive here is the handy piezo ignition system, which starts up the entire contraption with just a push of a button. You may also be interested in some of the best indoor grills from our list, so check them out. At number 2, we have the dual fuel combination charcoal gas grill. Talk about the best of both worlds. Why choose one when you can enjoy the wonders of both gas and charcoal grilling? The dual fuel combination charcoal gas grill is just what the doctor ordered if you can't pick one over the other. Even better is the fact that it comes at quite a steal considering all its benefits. Altogether, it has a total grilling space of 557 square inches. With all of that at your disposal, you can cook up a feast at one go. 262 square inches of that is for the charcoal grill, while the remaining 295 is all gas. Out of all this, there's also 188 square inches designated as warming space. Taking it up a notch is the side burner, which happens to be powered by gas. So, you can actually cook up meals while you're at it. Even better is the fact that you don't have to run to and fro the kitchen to get your spices. There are 2 side shelves attached for your storage needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fuego F21CH Element Hinged Propane Gas Grill. If the design doesn't get you, the functional features will. One thing is for sure, With the Fuego F21CH element hinged propane gas grill, you get a lot more than you bargained for. Let's get right into it. This is a new and improved product that is sure to blow your socks off. The hinged lid design here is not only great to look at, but it ensures that you never have to reach over the fire. It also takes the responsibility of handling the lid off the table. Another component that's been amped up here is the dual-zone burner system, which now uses 22,000 BTU per hour. You'll also like the new drop-through residue removal system, which is incredibly easy to clean. Who doesn't like an easy cleanup? Tying this all together is the fact that this is a compact piece of equipment, measuring 21 inches by 21 inches when closed. So, now you can cook your delicious snacks on your grill just about anywhere. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.